Hello guys. So our today's topic of the day is average. So what is average exactly? For example, if I give you some values and I have asked you to find the average. So average would be the value that would lie between the smallest number and the greatest number. That means the value which will be in between the greatest value and the smallest value will be known as average. Average is also known as the mean value. See, average is the mean value which is the ratio of the sum to the number of values. That means we can find average by adding all the values which is to the ratio of number of values. So what would be the formula for the average? Average is equals to sum of quantities upon number of quantities. See, if you will write values or quantities, they both are just similar things. Okay, so sum means adding whatever values have been given to us. We will add all the quantities or values, you can say, and then we will divide them to the number of values that is given to us. So let's move on to our first example. That is, we have to find the average of 40, 70, 80, 100 and 90. So what we will do, first of all, we will write the formula. So average is equal to sum of quantities upon number of quantities so we have used the formula that was given to us in this question. Now how we are going to find the sum of quantities? We will be adding all the values that are given to us in the question. But first of all, what we do is we will arrange all the numbers in ascending order. So let's arrange them. That is 40 plus 70 plus 80 plus 90 and plus 100. Now how many values are there? Number of values, how we are going to find? See, this 40 is complete one number, so this will be the first value. This will be the first value. Now 70, this will be the second value. 80 will be the third value. 100 will be the fourth value. And 90 would be the fifth value. So how many total values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 values are there. So we will divide this number by 5. And now we will add them. Let's add 40 plus 70, 110. 110 plus 80, 190. 190 plus 90, 280. 280 plus 100, 380. So 380 divided by 5. So now I am just going to subtract that number over here. 380 divided by 5. Okay, so we know that 35 is not divisible by 5. 38 is not divisible by 5. So we will take 7 times is 35. So when we will subtract this, 8 minus 5 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now what we will do, we will take copy 0 downwards. So we will write 0 over here. Now 5 6 is 30, we know that. So 5 into 6 is 30, and when we subtract 30 minus 30, it will give us 0. So now the quotient that we are giving is our average. Okay, so 76 will be our average. Okay, I hope you are clear with the first example. Now I will be moving on to the another example. Okay, See children, now I have taken another question, that is find the average of first 9 natural numbers. So first of all the question arises that what are natural numbers? So natural numbers are the numbers that begin from 1 and so on, move on to another numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So first of all what we are going to do is we will write the formula again. In each and every question you have to write the formula, that is important. Okay, so average is equals to sum of quantities to number of quantities. This is the formula for the basic average. Everybody knows that. So now we will add the first 9 natural numbers. So what are the first 9 natural numbers? That begin from 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 and plus 9. These are the first 9 natural numbers. Now how we are going to find the number of quantities? That is already mentioned in the question. How? See, it was mentioned that we have to find the 9 natural numbers now. So number of values will be 9 only. So we will add these quantities and divide by 9. So let's write. First of all we will add this. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 6 21. 21 plus 7 28. 28 plus 8 36. 36 plus 9 45. So 45 divided by 9. This is the way that we are going to do. Now we will divide 45 by 9. We will write 45 over here and 9 over here. So we know that 9 when multiplied by 5 will give us 45. So 9 5s will be 45 and the remainder will be 0. So जो हमारा question आया, the question that we are getting will be our average. So 5 will be our answer. Okay. So now I am going to explain you one last question, and on the basis of all the explanation that has been done in this class, you will be able to solve all the questions that are related to average. Okay. So let's move on to the another example. Now children, I have taken the third example. Okay, now the question says Rahul ate 5 chocolates on an average. That means Rahul ने average पे कितनी chocolates खाई है? 5 on an average. Find the total number of chocolates he ate in a week. What do we have to find? We have to find the total number of chocolates that he ate in a week. So how many days are there in a week? 7. So the number of values now would be 7. Fine. And we have been given the average. So what do we have to find? We have to find the sum of quantities. So which formula we are going to use is, let's see, average multiplied by number of quantities is equals to sum of quantities. Okay, this is the formula that we are going to use. See, when we have to find the average, what formula do we use? Sum of quantities divided by number of quantities. So when we have to find the sum of quantities, what we do, we multiply the average to the number of quantities. ठीक है? अब average was 5 and number of values will be, how many days are in a week? 7. So 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. Sum of quantities, and this will be our answer, sum of So how many chocolates did Rahul ate in a week? 35. Okay, so now with these examples I hope you would be able to solve all the questions and average. Okay, so best of luck and do well.